Said because that's all you hear. You didn't hear the first name. You just hear Jolene, but you didn't hear the first name, right? What did you see? Is that a bug? Oh, is that a moth? Is that a moth? Oh, it's a bug. Oh, you let it fly? Bye bye, bug. Go, 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 go! Kick! Kick! Huh? Oh, really? What did she say? Oh, really? 1, 2, 3, go! Go! 1, 2, 3, go! Go! You got- Hello, Black. Oh, wow. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, you have to get up immediately. Don't let it flat. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Get up! You need to get up immediately. Trust no one. Trust no one. Uh-huh. That's still nice. Hello, Aiza. Oh, Gilana say Aiza. Yeah. You got a pool?